pre-Thanksgiving dinner. Salmon to keep it light. So tomorrow you can overstuff your fucking face. Oh yeah, salmon. And then a little cream spinach as the side for the salmon. Oh yeah.
What's up, folks? I have a pre-Thanksgiving meal for you so you don't have to be full the night before Thanksgiving. We're gonna hit you with that little Alaskan salmon. We're gonna hit it with that smokehouse maple. I'm gonna hit the skin on the other side with this kosher salt that kind of dried out a little bit so it's a little bit crispy, even though I know most of y'all are not gonna eat it. And then look what's back in season. Crown Royal Blackberry. And I'm gonna mix that with a little grenadine and a whole bunch of Sprite on this festive holiday Thanksgiving edition from Vic's world famous cooler chicken. So let's flip this salmon over real quick, and I'm gonna hit that back with a little kosher salt. And I know most of y'all are not gonna eat the skin part of it. Usually just pull the salmon off. But if you hit it with a little kosher salt, crisp the backside of the skin, doesn't really affect the meat on the other side. But it does dry it out, crisp it, just in case you decide to eat it, which I don't know anybody who eats it. But if you do, hey, here's a way to make that crispy, all right? Now that I've got that, pat that on there real quick, flip it over. And this smokehouse seasoning, it's sweet, savory, got a really nice flavor to it. All kinds of different crushed red peppers, brown sugar, seasoning salt, etc., etc. And then you just give it a nice heavy coating to your liking. You know, some people don't like heavy seasoning. In this household, we do. The more seasoning, the better. Now, don't overpower the fish to where it doesn't taste like anything but seasoning, but give it a nice coat, as you can see that. And as I let that sit for a little while, I'm gonna pour us an adult beverage. Yeah, a little ice. Oh, we blessed that bottle, Crown Royal Blackberry. This is my first time trying it, folks. They told me to make a Shirley Temple. So let's take a little sip before we do that. Cheers. Wow, you like to try that? Not on camera, just a little sip. It's actually great. I didn't think it was gonna be, but a little Sprite. My wife's not a big Crown Royal fan. And a little grenadine to complete my Shirley Temple. Give me a little magic spoon. Oh, damn. It was so good the ice jumped out of the glass. Cheers again. Note to self, those do not go together. That's it, tastes like Robitussin. Tell you that right now. That is a fail, and now I'm gonna drink it. But do not mix Blackberry Crown, grenadine, and Sprite. Shirley Temple and don't go together. Just FYI, from me to you, that y'all know, Robitussin. I'm gonna drink it because that's alcohol abuse, but I'm gonna smoke this salmon for about 50 minutes at 275 on my Traeger. The Traeger is heated up, and now I'm going to put this on the Traeger. Oh, and I forgot the side for this evening. It will be H-E-B's cream spinach. The queen loves this. It's got a pretty good flavor if you like spinach or spinach heavy, but if you salt it right, season it right, it'd be great. This as well is going on the smoker. All right, folks, let me get the extra food particles off here so I can lay my salmon on here and let it ride. 50 minutes at 275, gonna give you a great smoky flavor on this salmon. I am using Traeger Barbecue Select hard pellets. First time I've tried this oak hickory maple. They have worked very well so far on the ribs and hamburgers that I've cooked on it. A little bit flat. And there you have it, folks. Salmon, spinach, lightweight dinner before you eat your fat ass to death tomorrow. Let's take a look at that salmon. It's getting close to being almost done. You see that moisture coming out of there? And the old spinach. This dip still got a little bit long ways to go. Here it is, folks. Flaky, crispy, golden, pink salmon. Ooh, wee! Sweet. Not too fishy. Great texture. Juicy. Oh, and a little cream spinach. See that hair? That cheese. That cheese pull. That shit hot. I'm gonna build a plate and let y'all see it. Look how juicy that salmon is, y'all. Oh my God, it's like it just came out of the river. I mean the ocean. I mean the river ocean. Look how juicy that rice. Ooh. Come to my house if you want your meat to be juicy. Look at the grill marks on the back of that salmon skin.